It's Joseph World Travels, and today we're talking about the vibrant country of Colombia. Now, we all know it's about having a good time, partying, seeing the culture, and meeting beautiful women. But just like any other place, it has its risks. So grab a notepad, grab a drink, grab a snack, and let me give you 5 critical reasons why you might get robbed in Colombia. First up, we have lack of awareness. Look, I get it. We're all here to have fun and explore. Colombia is a beautiful country, but there can be some risky areas. When you're in cities like Medellin, Cartagena, Bogota, and you're exploring unfamiliar places and big crowded places, you're literally making yourself a target for thieves. Even in New York, when people see you doing this and you're looking all around and they know you're not from there. So stay smart, keep your eyes open, and avoid those sketchy places. It's all about common sense, fellas. Number 2. Complacency. Now, don't get me wrong, it's all about good vibes, but being complacent is a no-no. Ignoring local advice and getting too comfortable can lead you into risky situations. Let me tell you a story. So my homie came to visit me, and it was his second time coming to visit Medellin, and he got complacent. He said to me, bro, I met this girl on Tinder, which I talk about in another video, and she wants to go out. I'm like, okay, that's cool. She wants to go out, girls want to go out all the time. Then he said to me, she wants to bring her friend with her. Bro, if you live out here and a girl wants to bring her friend with her to a dinner, it's a whole different thing, and we'll cover that in another video. But I try to give him the warning, and I try to give my boy the advice. And what did he say to me? Bro, I've been here already, I know what I'm doing. He ended up paying for 2 dinners, and he found out the other girl wanted to scheme on him. So the moral of the story, stay humble, and don't let your guard down. Medellin has come a long way, but it ain't perfect. No city's perfect. Reason number 3, going to secluded areas. Bro, avoid them like the plague. Literally, these areas give criminals little passages to do things to you without anybody noticing. And let me explain how you might end up in a secluded area. Picture this. A beautiful girl approaches you, you meet her at the club, you guys fall in love. Oh my God, she's dancing with you all night, and she said, hey, let's just go for a walk, let's go get something to drink, ice cream or something. And you're like, okay, because she's giving you play. And then you go do that. You go for a little walk with her, and she's like, I know a spot that's just right over there. Now you end up in some side street because you're drunk in love, and guess what? It's a play. There goes your stuff. Research what devil's breath is. It's a whole different conversation. We know now, we stick to well-lit areas, especially when it's dark, because you don't want to find yourself in a tight spot because of a tight spot. Reason number 4, displaying valuables. Cha-ching. Okay, this one's important. There's even a saying out here. It's called giving papaya. People come out here and they think it's America, and they start flashing their jewelry, showing their gadgets, showing their stacks of money. Yeah, people do that. They do the cell phone thing out here too. Because I know if you're a colored male that's come from an area in America where people get robbed all the time, you have this sense of value in your brain where it's like, I wish a person would. And I also have that. But when I do that, I'm also with probably a group of 5 other guys. But even after saying all that, I still try to keep my valuables on the low. Unless I'm going to some place that I know for sure that I'm invited, that I have security, and I have everything covered. So bro, think about it. Be like me. Actually, don't be like me. And the most important, number 5, having your cell phone out. Bro, it's a big problem. Let me explain. The price of an iPhone Pro Max, whenever they come out, whatever time frame, they're usually $1,000 plus. So imagine in Colombia, you have your phone out like that, and people are like, wow, that's $1,000 phone. But let me give you this one caveat. Your same phone over here might be priced for $2,000. Yes, double the price. So when they steal your phone, it's a double come up. Even though we have all the technology in the world, iCloud and everything like that, and you'll be locked out of your device, selling your phone for parts will still make them some money. And I'm not just talking from somebody who's just reading this off the internet. I'll tell you a quick story. Me and my boys out here play basketball at the big stadium where Team Colombia plays. We got connections. One day we were in the Uber going to the stadium, and our Uber driver had his cell phone close to the window. We were just talking and sitting there and having a good time, and all we hear is a motorcycle come up and put his hand in the guy's car. Yes, in the guy's car. Lucky for him, he grabs the guy's arm and the guy's pulling, and the guy realizes that he can't get the phone and he pulls off on the motorcycle, goes through a red light. So even local Colombians are susceptible to getting their phone stolen. So imagine you that doesn't know anything about here. And I know it hurts. As an influencer, my phone's always out doing everything. Keep that phone tucked away unless you really need to record something. Alright, so there it is. 5 reasons you might get robbed in Colombia. But guess what? You got street smarts now and you know what to look for. But don't worry, you're gonna have an amazing time in these amazing cities they have. Oh my god, you're gonna have a blast. So hit that like button, subscribe if you want more tips, and hit that comment section below because I'll answer anything you ask. And stay safe out there, fellas. Peace!